All right, we're going to practice making equivalent fractions because this is just a really big thing for us to get, and I've had a lot of kiddos who have been struggling with the fraction strips and even the pie pieces like these guys right here, making excuse me, equivalent fractions that way. So what I was thinking to myself is how can I make this this a lot more tangible? How can we feel this? How can we manipulate it in a real easy manner? And I thought to myself, area method. I need to find some kind of way that the area method will work. And this one behind me is what we're going to be doing today in class, is the area method. And we're going to show equivalency. Start out easy and then manipulate it a little bit. So for example, if I divide each one of these squares, or as best as I can draw a square, into 3 equal parts, all right, and as equal as I can get them. And I'm going to just shade one of the sections of each of them. Okay? How many total do I have? Well, I have 3 total sections possible. Alright, so 3 in each one of these, right? And how many pieces are shaded out of each one? Well, 1. So that's showing 1/3, right? In each one of those. And we know those to be equivalent. But, okay, if I were to just draw a horizontal line right here, cut it in half, what happened? Now the total possible isn't 3. I have twice as many, right? Because I doubled it. I made it half. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 of those are shaded. But it's still equivalent. These 2 are equal, right? Okay. If I made 1, 2, 3 horizontal lines. Let's start out with a third. Then I came over here and drew 3 horizontal lines. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 possible. And of those, 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded. So we could see that 1/3 is still equal to 4/12. And that's a way to find equivalent fractions. But can this help us when we are adding or subtracting? Well, 1/3, let's say 1/3 plus, let's see, 1/3 plus 2/6. So here we go. 1, 2, I know what. I'll do 1/3 plus 1/4. Why not? That'll make it easier on me. So 1/3 plus 1/4. Well, do I have a common denominator? That's what I have to ask myself. Do these 2 fractions right here share a common denominator? This one's thirds, this one's fourths. You would say, negative. Well, can I get this third and this fourths in something that has the same denominator? Well, you have to say to yourself, okay, this 3 can become, here, I'll do it right here. This 3 can become, I'll do it right here, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's just skip counting 3's, right? 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 is 6, times 3 is 9, times 4 is 12, and times 5 is 15. And over here the 4 goes 4, 8, 12, uh-oh, bingo, found something. So I wonder if I can make this into 12ths. Well, the 1/3 over here, we knew if we put it into, if we doubled it, it became 6. If we did another one, it would be 3, 6, 9. If we did another one, if we made it into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, basically multiplied it by 4, we would have 12ths, right? And we had to do it to the top as well. But we didn't really do anything to the top number. The number on top, the numerator, just changed by default, right? So now what's our new fraction? 3, 6, 9, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4 12ths, right? And then over here, let's see if we can get that into 12ths. Well, we said 1, 2, 3 changes times 3 times 3 would give us 3, and I drew 2 lines and I said times 3, but I made 1, 2, 3 sections here. That would give us 12 possible, and 1, 2, 3 of them are shaded, right? And then we could just see, I mean, we could cross out one of these guys and shade in one of these guys, and do the same here, and then shade one of these guys, and then do the same over here, and shade one of these guys, and do the same over here, and shade one of these guys. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 4 plus 3 equals 7, 12. Believe it or not, that actually took me a long time to think about that. I grabbed a bunch of different resources and I said, hey, I can simplify this for my 5th graders. This is the simplification of it. So here in a second, you guys are going to do an activity. You're going to have a little worksheet in front of you, and you're going to practice making equivalent fractions. The other guy that looks a lot like me but wears a suit and tie, he's going to get ready to talk here in a second. He's probably already stopped me. And you're gonna make equivalent fractions. Hang on to it, because it's going to be your note sheet. You're going to get to use it. Keep it in your math folder. Don't lose it. Okay? Hold on to it, because it'll be available to you during assessments. It'll be available to you during homework time, classroom time. Really take advantage of it, all right? So let's practice this, and guys, always remember, math is cool. It's not scary. It's not boring. It's fun. All right.